remember in one of my last video about my Pontiac Grand Prix that my insurance have decided to send it to the junkyard. But before I let it go, I decided to obviously keep some good things from it, like my audio system, this battery, which is only 1 year old, so it's still very good. And since I already have a brand new battery in my girlfriend's Subaru, and it doesn't fit in my F-150 because it's too small, so instead of letting it getting wasted on a shelf, I decided to build a power pack. So I won't go fancy with something light here, and this power pack will follow me pretty much everywhere in camping and fishing and hunting. So it need to be heavy duty, even if it means that it will be a little heavier than a regular power pack. And for this power pack, as I said earlier, I decided to buy a box that can not only hold the weight of this battery, but also sustain a lot of, I can't say damage, but since I will move it a lot, it will be surrounded by ATV ramp, fire camp, wood, and all kind of dirty stuff that can damage the box. Reason why I decided to buy something strong. So let's open it. The box itself, it's pretty light, it's about 3 pounds, and as you can see by the color, it is a DeWalt box, so it's made for hard work and it's made for being carried everywhere. So let's have a look into this box. It obviously have the strong lock of the DeWalt cases. It has a little tray, but unfortunately I will not have any use for this in the box or in the power pack. So as you can see, it's pretty empty, but there's some notch on both sides where I will be able to make my wood frame stood in place and secure the battery so it doesn't move when I carry it, or it doesn't move at all. So this is it for the box. The battery, as you must know, a car battery is pretty heavy. This one is a 800 amp or 650 amp on cold start. And as a gauges and our connectors, how about these? It's not the expensive stuff. Let's open it. The bag is teared up anyway. I got a 12 volt car lighter connection. Let's open it. Pretty tight. It's supposed to be waterproof. I also have a USB connection here, 5 volts, 2.1 amp each, 2 connection. I have a voltmeter, and I also have an on-off switch. So this way I know there will be no power drop at all when the switch will be turned off. So this is it for the main items. I will build the wood framing for the box with leftover of plywood that I have here. So let's start this project right after this message. Our RickStuff store is finally open, so go on Spreadshirt.ca today to save as much as 15% on your RickStuff gear and accessories. Type RickStuff in the search bar and you will be redirected directly on our store page, where you'll find everything you need, whether it is for man, woman, kids, or even dog accessories. Now I will put the battery in and the other wood box. I will connect it and test it if everything's working. I haven't bought any round connectors because I was certain I had some here in the shop. I don't have, so for the purpose of the testing I will just twist the wires around the bolt, and I will buy some connectors tomorrow or next time I will go at the hardware store. There we go, it's connected. My battery is at 13 volt. Let's see if it says the same thing on the multimeter. It says 12.91. And here I have 12.9, so it's pretty accurate. Now we'll try the USB side first, see if it works. Turn this on. I'll connect the phone and see if it's charging. Let's connect it. I don't know if you can see the battery, but it is charging. Got a red light, meaning it's charging. I don't know if you can see that little battery in the corner. So the USB is working, and I have a light saying that it's in function. It stopped charging. Now let's try the 12 volt connection. There's some powers going on. And again, if you look closely, it's charging. So those two outlets are working. I will soon install an inverter in it with at least two connections for 110 120 volt connection, so I can connect some things like a laptop or stuff like that. So the fuse is working. I can cap it, and in the storage I can put phone accessory, laptop accessory, or a small air compressor to blow camping gears, camping accessories. So I think it will be pretty useful for me, and I will have a lot of power. So even if I want to connect a small 12 volt fridge on it, I will have the power to do it. So this is it for now, guys. I will update you as soon as the connector will be on it. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you have any question, post them in the comment section below and I will answer to all of them as soon as possible. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.